And the last one. Tapping the first sector here. Boom! Wow. And then these ones down below. Wow. Cool. Okay, I don't expect anything. Wait, no way! Do you see that? Oh my god, you have got to be kidding me. I don't even know what to say, guys. Hey everyone, I'm Chris Warren. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys already know, if you've been following me for a while, I spend a lot of my time testing different blockchain tools and random decentralized applications. And just a few days ago, I stumbled across a project that, well, it honestly impressed me. So I thought, why not? Let's put it to the test right now. But look, before we dive into the screen, let's talk about the real motivation here. Let's be real for a moment. GTA 6 is dropping soon, right? Finally. And man, I seriously need to stack up some coins, some crypto, so I can buy a sick massive garage right when the game launches. And since I'm doing all this research anyway, I figured, why not share my entire search, my mistakes, and my personal experiences with you guys? Alright, let's actually get started. I already opened up my Telegram app on my phone here. Let me just bring it up. Okay. And there we go. Let's open the mail dashboard. Yeah, see? This is exactly the interface I was talking about. Look at that layout. I really dig the design here. It's super smooth, highly responsive, and just very convenient to navigate. Now, hold on. Here's the deal. There is a small, tiny technical requirement before we can run the trial. Let me see. Just give me a quick sec, guys. I need to fix this real quick. It's just a standard part of the network settings adjustment, nothing crazy. Give me just a brief moment here. I'm going to input the required configuration parameters right into these fields. Just a few simple setup steps, almost done. And hey, while I'm doing this boring technical setup, guys, I really wanted to remind everyone. A very important note. I am absolutely not a financial advisor. Like, at all. I am just a tech enthusiast who likes to run experiments and see how these platforms behave under stress. So basically, I do not recommend replicating, copying, or repeating any of this. I'm simply documenting my own random personal experience here for entertainment purposes. Always do your own homework, okay? Alright, let's see. Here I am going to choose the first one. Perfect. I'm going to click this button right here. And right now, as you can see on the monitor, I am synchronizing this external helper tool directly with the project's main protocol. It's really no big deal, just a standard handshake. I'm just clicking through the required prompts. Let's see. I'm just gonna, wait, give me just a quick sec. So basically, like I said, I'm just following these steps you see right here on the screen. There's nothing complicated about it. You just pretty much do what you read. Now, it's time for the final step. Just waiting for our screen image to refresh, and let's see, just a little bit more and we'll kick off our test. I am so impatient right now, guys. I'm super pumped. I feel like we're about to see something really interesting. Although honestly, I don't have high expectations at this point. I just don't trust these kinds of projects anymore. Some of them promise you the world, and then you just end up with absolutely nothing. In the meantime, I'm just putting this very tiny small test balance here, guys, and I am completely fine losing it. No big deal. It's a controlled trial. In the meantime, guys, I'm going to start filling these fields on the screen just like this. One by one. And the last one. Tapping the first sector here. Boom! Wow. It actually surprised me. Honestly, I didn't expect that. Okay. That was completely unexpected and honestly, a super pleasant surprise. But let's keep testing because I am definitely not believing this on the first try. It just seemed way too easy. Alright, let's see. We tap right here. Okay, let's go. Here, then right here, and then the last one's right there. And then these ones down below. Wow. Cool. Okay, let me test this just one last time. I'm going to try my luck one final time so I can be 100% confident about this win. Alright, everything at the bottom is set. Perfect, let's run it. Okay, I will try one more time. It will be the last one. So let's see. Okay, all of them at the bottom. Beautiful. I'm following what I see. And yeah, cool. Wow. This looks absolutely insane, man. I'm so excited, guys, right now. So let's move to the main part of this whole test. I will try to send everything back to myself. While I'm setting up these final details, I want to remind you why I'm even running this test in the first place. GTA6. Like, seriously. If this actually works out, I'm going to be completely out of my mind with happiness. And listen, I'm giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 to 3 lucky subscribers who leave a comment down below and share this video. Yeah. Those are the simple rules for it. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share my videos with your friends. I have a ton of useful stuff here. In the meantime, let's switch over to my main account and see what we got. You know, I don't expect anything. Wait, no way! Do you see that? Oh my god, you have got to be kidding me. I don't even know what to say, guys. There's no absolute way you are serious right now, but the confirmation just popped up right on my screen, and wow. It is just how it is. The numbers are right there. I honestly hope this technical overview was helpful and entertaining for you guys. Smash that like button, get those comments rolling down below so you can win that PS5, and I will definitely catch you all in the next video. See ya. Bye-bye.